Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. So I got some super exciting news for you guys. I am so thankful that we have just reached 10,000 subscribers on the channel. It literally means the world to me. I've worked so hard to reach this milestone, and it honestly means the world that we reached to 10,000 subscribers. It is so crazy. I cannot thank you guys enough. It's literally insane to think about that 10,000 of you guys have subscribed to the channel and watched my videos. It only motivates me to pump out more content for you guys. I just quickly want to thank you guys so much for literally all the support, all the comments, subscriptions, everything. Literally, thank you guys. So, if you guys are new to the channel, I had made a vision board not too long ago, and I believe I was at 4,000 subscribers. I believe I was at 4, but now, like I said, once we reach a milestone, we're going to be taking it off. And I can now finally say we can take off 10K. So freaking exciting. Cannot believe it. If you guys don't know what a vision board is, this is the things that I want to accomplish. Such as like merch, which a lot of you guys have been asking me. I really want to come out with some merch in the near future, so stay tuned for that. All the other things, like you guys know, I want a Mustang. So yeah guys, next thing on the list is 20K. I actually picked up an LED light bar for the car. I actually have two, so this is the second one. I got them off of Amazon. They're actually pretty cheap. Yeah, this one is a little bit smaller. It's a few inches smaller. So this I'm actually going to use for a reverse light since I have a cut diffuser in my car. So I feel like this would be so sick having a little light bar for a reverse light, because right now I do not even have like a reverse light for my car because I cut the diffuser off. So this will be such a sick, bright alternative for the car. This light bar, this is I believe a 24 inches 24-inch light bar. I want to put on the front bash bar. I've always wanted one of these just to have. I feel like they're really cool. I know a lot of people get like, I don't know, a lot of people don't really like these, but it's just like, I don't know, I just want to have fun, and I feel like having a light bar with this switch would be pretty cool that I can control from the inside. So yeah, that's just a little fun little mod I'll probably install for you guys later on in the video. But the reason why I picked up the camera today is because it kind of sucks, but I got a flat, some light in here, and I don't know why I wasn't thinking much of it until I took it out for a drive. I literally heard like a huge like popping noise, and yeah, this is what happened. So it pretty much debeated. I'll show you guys when I take the wheel off, but this thing is flat. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wheel off and see what I ran over. Pretty sure it's probably like a nail or something, but yeah, let's get right to it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, my tire's like ripped. Oh my gosh. This thing is tore apart. Okay, now I'm pretty sure it's like ripped apart like this since I pretty much like drove it home because I didn't want to call a tow truck or anything like that. Plus I was like super close by, but dude, the whole freaking sidewall just ripped off. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is crazy. I've literally never seen anything like this. Now I'm trying to figure out why it started leaking air. That's the confusing part. Honestly, I don't see any nails or anything, which is pretty odd. Maybe it was right here that it came out. It's the only like damage I see that could be from like a nail. Yeah, pretty sure it was from right here. This is a pretty good sized gash. Rip the tire. Literally rip. I was in a little shopping center, and it was kind of loud over there. I heard like a little air leak, and I don't know if it was coming from my car or if it was like sprinklers, because I was literally parked next to sprinklers, and that's why I didn't think much of it. I didn't think it was like my tires or anything. It didn't look like my tires were deflating at all, so I kind of just like brushed it off. And once I left, took it on a drive, heard like a loud pop noise. My alignment like started feeling all wobbly, which is super weird. Until I got out of my car and looked at my tire, that's when I knew it was a flat. That tire is literally destroyed. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and order a new tire. Another 305 for the rears. I'll probably put the camera down and put my stock wheels on right now until I get that new tire in the mail so I can swap it out and get this thing back on the road. The next clip will probably be me installing the light bar into the car. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get to the install.
Day 2.
Yo, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. So it is now time to install the LED light bar that I got for the car. I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was around like $20 to $30, I want to say. I'll leave the link down in the description below. This light bar is by Yida Motor. That is a really weird word to say. Yida Motor. It looked pretty dope. Looked like it was very good quality from the video, so we went ahead and got it. This is a 24-inch light bar. I already put the side brackets on to mount this to the car. Pretty self-explanatory, just a little Allen bolt. Yeah, the goal for this light bar is to mount it at the bottom of this OEM crash bar. It'll look something like this. The cool thing about this light bar is it came with a wiring harness already, so it's gonna make my job, I hope, pretty straightforward. So as you guys can see, this thing comes with a button so you can control it from the inside of the car. But yeah, let me just spread this wiring harness out so I can give you guys a little visual. I'm really happy this came with a wiring harness because in no way, shape, or form am I a wiring expert. Not even close. Wiring stuff is probably my #1 weakness when it comes to cars. This right here seems pretty self-explanatory. This right here connects to the battery. This wires down to the light bar itself, and from the battery, this is a switch wire that goes to the inside of the car. The only thing is we have to connect these together, which I've never done before. So I hope it's pretty simple. I have a little like splice tool in the car that I bought from Home Depot. Don't have much room. So much wires on this already. There's like 3 different things on here. Can this thing even screw on? If I'm doing something wrong right now, or if I can put this somewhere else, please don't make fun of me. All I know is that I have to connect this to a positive terminal. And yeah, if I should be placing this somewhere else, let me know down in the comment section below. So this is my sub, this is, I believe, my Demon Eyes, and this is the light bar. I'm just gonna put the ground on the strut right here. Red one going to the positive terminal, then the black one as a ground. I put this under the strut bolt. We have a light here, which I guess is a good thing, telling us we have power from the battery. I'm gonna hold the wires together. I'm gonna twist these together for now. Oh my gosh, it is so bright. So it works. Now we know that it works. I'm gonna go ahead and move to mounting this thing onto the crash bar. Excited, I can't wait to get this thing on the car and test it out like at night and see how bright it is. Kind of just like a random mod for my car, but like I said, I just like having fun, and I thought having a light bar would be pretty cool to just have on the front. And maybe just like high beam a few people that piss me off. My friend took my box of drill bits. So I don't have like the big drill bits that I can fit like bolts in. So for now I have to use self-tappers. It should work the same until I can get those drill bits back. We're just going to use self-tappers for now. We have the light bar bolted onto the car. pretty centered in my opinion. It looks pretty straight. We're gonna see what it looks like with the bumper on. Yo, dude, that looks so sick. Oh my gosh. I actually love it. That looks so good. It kind of looks like teeth, honestly. Dude, it like fits perfect behind the bumper. Like, look at that like fitment. That light bar fitment though. Barely fit my finger right here. So I'm trying to touch up the wiring right now and tuck it all in, make it look all nice. So I have it all screwed in like I showed you guys. This is the box that connects to the battery. So this right here, I just zip tied it up against the strap bar. One of the wires from that box goes to the light bar, which is right here. And then on the other side of the box, it goes to the switch, which will go inside of the car. This is the wire right here that goes to the inside of the car. There's a little connection right here where you can unplug it. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this so I can fit this through the little firewall right there. Pull it in from the inside of the car and then reconnect it. So that's gonna be that right there. Alright guys, so the wiring is officially done. I just have to tuck it all in and make it look all nice. Here's what I did. I don't know what this is called, honestly, but I've seen it everywhere and I bought them at the store, and it basically connects the two wires. You like pinch them together. I did that with both of the wires, and so yeah, I just have to zip tie all this excess stuff. Then we have this switch wire. So we have it right here, and we went ahead and put it through the firewall right there, if you guys can see it. Comes out through the bottom right there. Connected the two pieces together again, and we have the switch right here. So dude, excuse my car, it is so dirty. And yeah, just thinking about it right now, this is probably like a pretty cool spot to mount it right here. So I can just turn it on like that. Bam. Just like that, guys. We now have a light bar. That was honestly so easy. That took me probably around 30 minutes, I want to say. I'm not a wiring person at all, so this was pretty easy in my opinion for a person that doesn't specialize in this at all. This thing is so sick. I love it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the car in a little bit, close the garage, turn the lights off, and see actually how bright this thing is. Oh my gosh. Yo. Dude, that is so sick. There's a little bit of light still coming in, but dude, this thing is super bright. That's so dope. I literally love this thing so much, and it's only been on my car for like 30 minutes. We've made it back inside. We are done with the light bar install. I hope you guys enjoyed that little install. I thought it was super fun. It was super straightforward, and I feel like it was just a nice little small detail that fit the front end very well. Before I end off today's video, this is the other light bar that I told you guys that I purchased. Just a little bit smaller, and like I said, I wanted to wire this to be my reverse light, but honestly I have no idea how to do that. So if you guys have any experience wiring a reverse light to your FRS or BRZ, please leave it down in the comment section below. I want to know how to wire it properly so I can go ahead and put this second light bar on the car. I want to try and upload this video today, so if you guys are watching this when it just came out, it is Wednesday, July 10th, so this is the day of the install. So I'm gonna go ahead and close off today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. It literally means the world to me. I love you guys so much. Smash that like button for me. Drop a comment down below on what you guys think of today's video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.